Hello friends, this is Rajiv Sharma. Forget coronavirus, forget migrant workers, forget lockdown. Here is the mother of coronavirus. Here is the father of coronavirus. In fact, here is the grandfather of coronavirus, the biggest threat which India is going to face, is already facing. But that crisis is going to get more severe in coming days and weeks. Friends, I am here talking about the locust swarms. Now, the locust swarms are the biggest threat to India, that too when it is the country is reeling under the pandemic, corona pandemic. In this video tutorial, I am showing you actually several videos. Not one, not two, but 3 videos. These videos will show you the kind of magnitude, the kind of length and breadth, the kind of threat the locust swarms have. These videos are largely from Rajasthan, from Jaipur and nearby. Video number 1 will show you how the locusts are resting on the rooftop of a residential colony, a house. See this video, this is hair raising. Now, you will see video 2 and video 3. These are the latest.
बाबा आपने वो खेत में वो उनका बील का उसका देखा पेड़?
हाँ।
इतनी सारी बिछी हुई है, पूरी लेते हैं। चलो इनको बोल के ऊपर जाके से भड़ भड़ कर दे, बहुत सारी उड़ेगी। और क्या अपना वो है पापा, देखो मैं एकदम मस्त घूम रहा हूँ मैं वीडियो में।
Well, now let me carry on with the commentary, and also you will have 2 pictures. One still picture of the locust swarms in Jaipur, and the second still picture of how Gujarat farmers are trying to battle the locust swarm threat by spraying pesticides and etc. They are trying to prepare. Now, locust swarms are gripping currently 7 or 8 states of India as of now, out of 28 states of India. The biggest infested state is Rajasthan. Of course, then Punjab is also very much infested, and Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, even Delhi NCR. Well, first of all, let me tell you what is a locust swarm. Well, locusts are migrant predatory pests. Why they are a threat? They are not a threat to you and me. They are a threat to the entire humanity. Because what a few thousand rats can do for agriculture, to agriculture, one locust swarm can do that what thousands of rats cannot do in a year's time. That thing locust swarm can do in a minute. In a minute. Locust swarms, they feed on standing crops. Wherever they go from, the crops are totally devastated, eaten by the locusts. And mind you, locusts are highly reproductive. In 3 months, they increase their size, their numbers by 20 times. And let me tell you, the total length, what is the quantum of locusts, how the locusts have to be measured. Locusts are not measured in terms of numbers. Locusts are measured in terms of square kilometer. The 1 square kilometer of locusts can carry as many as 80 million adults, 8 crore adults. 1 square kilometer of locust swarm. And the swarm which has been noticed in India, which has come from Pakistan and Iran, it is believed to be of the size of 2.5 square kilometer to 3 square kilometer. You can imagine. Now, 1 square kilometer of locust swarm can eat crops to the amount of the weight of 35,000 people. You can imagine the weight of 35,000 people, which means 1 square kilometer of locust swarm can really devastate, can really destroy crops worth which can feed millions of people. So imagine what the 3 times number can do. Now also I can tell you, friends, it has its diplomatic features. India, for example, has already spoken to Pakistan and Iran for a concerted approach. Pakistan has not responded, but Iran has responded positively. Let's see what Pakistan will do. Finally, now this, as I said, this locust swarm has come from Pakistan and Iran. But this is not the worst. The worst is yet to be. According to the UN body, Food and Agricultural Organization, a bigger swarm is going to come from Horn of Africa next month, which may affect India. And the current locust swarm crisis is the worst that India has seen in 27 years. And it is the worst what Somalia and Ethiopia have seen in 25 years. And it is the worst what Kenya has seen in last 70 years. So friends, I hope you will enjoy this video editorial containing several videos and pictures of the latest locust swarm crisis, and you will like the video, comment on it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.